Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like This. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of September. Hello everyone, thanks for joining me on my channel today. We'll be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of September. So here's my cash envelope and I do have my cash. Do you guys notice something different? Yep, you guessed it. I have different denominations this time. They're not all $20 bills, so I'm really happy about that. So we got some hundreds, we have 50s, 20s, and 5s. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have 1, 2, 253, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 605, 610. So $610 we'll be stuffing today. I hope all of you have been doing well. We are in October already, which is super crazy. September flew by, but I feel like I've been saying that for each month. But we are in October, and before we know it, it'll be Thanksgiving and then Christmas. Okay, so I do have my binder with my cash breakdown on the side, so this will help guide me. So we are starting off with my short-term binder. So the first envelope is bills. Bills will be getting $200. I'll be using the two $100 bills. So today we have 1, 2, 220. Alright, next is golf, and golf will be getting $20 this time. So $20. Guys, I haven't played golf in such a long time. The last time I played was in July. And then next envelope is beauty. Beauty will be getting $40. So 20 and 40. And our dog Lucy is in the office today. She's laying down, she's sleeping. So if you hear some snoring in the background, that's Lucy. So altogether, beauty has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. All right. And then I have the Aloha Keikahi envelope, and this money will be going towards the Lahaina wildfires in Maui. So I'm just putting in whatever I can. So I will be putting in $5 this time. So we have $15 all together. Alright, and that's it for my short-term binder. Next is my long-term binder. So first envelope will be emergency. So emergency will be getting its usual $20. So let's go ahead and count this. So altogether, emergency does have 1, 2, 3, 354, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 620, 640. So 640 for emergency. I'm going to put my little cash breakdown binder right on here to hold it down. And then car expenses will not be getting anything this time. Future will be getting a total of $40. So 20, 40. So all together we have, I'm going to put the 50 on the side, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, so 460, and then 50 is 510. All right, so 510 for future. Next is gifts. Gifts will be getting $20. So altogether, gifts has 20, 40, 60, 80. $80 for gifts. Next is holidays. Holidays will be getting $40. So 40. Altogether, we have 100, 152, 20, 40, 60, 83, 320. 320 for holidays. Okay, next is parents. Parents will be getting its usual $40. So altogether, parents has, putting the 50 on the side, has 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 440, and then the 50 puts it at 490. So 490 for parents. All right. Next is Lucy, Dash, and Ollie, and they will not be getting anything this time. Alright, lastly, we'll be cash stuffing my 100 envelope challenge. So I do have my sticker sheet and then my tracker. Alright, so I will be cashing number 37. Oh, you know what, guys? I did not cash stuff my on-the-go envelopes. I forgot it. It's in my purse. So let me go get that. No wonder it looks like I have so many bills left. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm so sorry. How could I forget about my on-the-go envelopes? But here's my on-the-go envelope. Here's my pouch, and in my pouch I have the envelopes, so groceries, eating out, household, and then I have some coupons, and then just some loose change. But today we'll be only cash stuffing the grocery envelope and the eating out envelope. So for groceries, it'll be getting its usual $50. And then eating out, oh, I'm sorry, I won't be cash stuffing eating out today because it's a new week. I'll be getting paid this Friday, and because I'm getting paid this Friday, I'll be doing another cash stuffing. So that cash stuffing will go towards this envelope. So today is just groceries, and that's $50. Okay, so now we can go on to my 100 envelope challenge. So here it is. All right, so like I was saying, I'm gonna cash stuff number 37. So 37, I'll be giving $40 to number 37. So let's see. Okay, here's number 37. All right. And then lastly, I have 50, 70, 90, 95. So I will be cash stuffing number 95. All right. So 95 is right here. There you go. All right, so that's number 37 and 95. Let's go ahead and put our stickers on there. So here's number 37, and then number $1.95. It's right here. All right. And then lastly, before I close out this video, I wanted to thank you all so much again for subscribing and continuing to follow me here on YouTube. I appreciate all of your comments and the time that you take out of your day to watch my videos. You guys are so kind, and I just can't thank you enough. And on top of that, I do have a new item on my website, stufflikelist.com, and this is a mini savings challenge. So I know sometimes if you're just starting out with budgeting, the 100 envelope challenge can be a little scary. You know, you have to be very committed to try and finish this challenge, but for a new budgeter, you might be wanting to start off with a mini savings challenge. So here's a mini binder, and as you can see, it is very mini. Isn't it so cute? And then I did make a 500 mini savings challenge. So here are the little envelopes, and then that's so cute. So I have denominations of 20, 40, and 50, and then they're just repeated enough to make $500. So if you're just wanting to start out, these are my handmade envelopes, and maybe this is a good start for you if you don't want to be so committed to the 100 envelope challenge. So this is another option, but I just think this is so cute. But again, thank you so much, and have a great rest of your weekend. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.